Samsung has launched its new affordable smartphone under F series in the India called Galaxy F06, with 5G support, and it has a unique rear panel design. Now let's have a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Galaxy F06 5G features a tall 6.7-inch HD Plus display, with a standard 60 Hz refresh rate support, and it has a peak brightness up to 800 nits. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 6300 chipset, paired with Mali G57MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 4 or 6 GB of RAM, and 128 GB of onboard storage, which is expandable up to 1.5 TB via hybrid microSD card slot. As per the optics, the Galaxy F06 5G sports a dual camera setup on the rear, that includes a 50-megapixel main camera, with f1.8 aperture, along with the 2-megapixel depth sensor, with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has 8-megapixel camera under the U-shaped notch at the top center, with f2.0 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 25 watts fast charging support. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 15 out of the box, with One UI 7.0 skin on top, and the company promises to provide up to 4 years of security and OS updates. Additionally, the smartphone also features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 167.4 by 77.4 by 8 mm, and it weighs around 191 grams. So now let's explore the pricing details of this smartphone. The Galaxy F06 5G has been priced in India for 4GB plus 128GB storage variant at 10,999 Indian rupees, while the 6GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 11,499 Indian rupees. The smartphone is said to go on sale in the country starting from February 20th, in Bahama Blue and Lit Violet color options. So, what do you guys think of this Galaxy F06 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.